I'm Tara Monster, and I like to make things. I'm getting in the mood for the holidays in my brand new revivalink horse shirt. Click the link below in the description to shop my Black Friday sale with savings of 20 to 50% off site-wide. And now I'm going to show you my holiday 2020 dollar store haul. And here we are at the dollar store. I just want to give you a quick little view of what I saw. Lots of tinsel, bows, decorations, outdoor stuff. These are the tinsel trees I'm going to show you. Some wood signs. I got a couple of these. So many things. They've got Christmas mugs. Different decorations. These are things you can wear. They've got feather boas, necklaces, reindeer and Santa ears. These are all the Christmas ornaments. And then stockings, hats, everything is sparkly and tinseled this year. I had such a good time and I can't wait to show you what I found. For those of you that don't know, the dollar store is hands down the best place to buy wrapping paper and gift bags year-round. Everything's $1. Other stores charge $3, $4, $5 just for a gift bag. No, get it from the dollar store. And at Christmas time, prepared to be amazed by their selection. Just look at how cute all of these little gift bags are. Like, they're just adorable. They have them in all sizes. They have medium gift bags, large gift bags, and even tiny gift bags. Just look at how cute that is. It'd be perfect for like a little jewelry box or a sweet little gift for a kid. I got just a bunch of them because they're all so cute. They also have tissue paper for putting in the bags. I don't know about you, but when Christmas time comes, I do not want to spend hours wrapping presents. My parents used to do that when I was a kid. They would stay up all night Christmas Eve wrapping our presents. I'm the oldest of 4 kids, and I always felt really bad for them. And in later years, I've been like, guess what? Mom, Dad, go to the dollar store, get a bunch of gift bags and put them in there. You don't have to be up all night wrapping. It's okay. So definitely get some tissue paper. It looks really nice in the bags. And also some ribbon that you can do bows with. They have curly ribbon and bows, pre-done bows there as well, if you like those. And next, I want to move on to some of the cool decor that I found. And now I'm going to talk tree decor. They have all things for your tree. They have icicle ornaments. They have a bunch of different colors of round balls. I got these candy cane ones. They had little snowflakes. I'll show you one. Pretty cute. They even had tree toppers. This one is my favorite. Look at how shiny. It's covered in glitter. It's gonna make a mess. They also had this other tree topper. I really like gold and silver and green and red for Christmas time, so this is gonna fit right in with my decor. They also had just all kinds of these little bells. Everything was tinsel this year. It was really cute because it reminds me of being a kid, like that vintage style of decorating. And so they had a lot of stuff to go along with that, including these cute little trees, gold and silver. They had them in a bunch of colors, green and red as well. They also had just some little bells. I think I'm gonna put these on my wreath I'll be making. And then these little guys that you can just clip on. I think those are also gonna go in my wreath. And another thing I found there I was actually really surprised to find. These are just little wood stars. They have these in all kinds of different shapes. They had unicorn heads, squares, rectangles. A friend of mine who has a heat press said that she sublimates art onto these. And so I'm going to have a DIY tutorial coming up where I attempt to do just that with my new heat press that I just got. So that's coming up soon. And also just for decor, they had all these really cool signs. Like, look at this one. It's got a little thing for hanging. I got another one. This guy here. My plan for this guy is actually to put him in the middle of my wreath that I'm going to be making. I think it's going to be the perfect size to just sit right in the middle. And then they also just had garlands, lots of little birds. I got some cardinals. I've got some white birds, some white doves. They also have the actual wreath hangers for making wreaths there. In fact, I'm just going to pop over into my top-down view so I can show you the spread of my table of everything I found that I'm going to use to decorate my wreath. I'm really excited. Okay, so I might have gone a little nuts when I got to the dollar store and saw all the amazing stuff they had to make a wreath with. I might end up making 3 or 4 wreaths with all this stuff. Like I mentioned, you can get these wreath hangers there. This is what you put all the stuff on. The most important thing besides this to make a wreath is the pipe cleaners, because that is what you attach everything with. I found pipe cleaners in red and green. They also had silver and gold, but this is all I'm gonna need. I usually only go through 1 package of pipe cleaners per wreath, so yeah, got enough. I also really like these mesh tubes for making bows for going on the wreath. I will show you that in the Christmas wreath tutorial. Another wonderful thing you need for a wreath is this cool mesh stuff. It's similar to tulle, but it just gives a little bit like bigger bow look. You know, that's different than tulle. So I just really love this stuff. They had it in silver and red. I think they had green and gold too, but I just got the silver and red because I got gold sparkle tulle. And the thing to remember when you are buying stuff for a wreath, always buy 2 of the thing you want. So I've got the 2 gold, I've got the 2 silver, and I've got the 2 red. And that will just make sure that you have enough for your whole wreath because you do not want to run out halfway through. I learned that with making my Halloween wreath, which was the first wreath I'd ever made. And yes, there is a link to the Halloween wreath in my YouTube channel. I made a video of that experiment. In the end, it went okay. Also, some advice for sparkle tulle. Once you open it, you want to keep it in a giant Ziploc like this. You'll thank me later. It gets everywhere. I think I'm still cleaning up sparkles from the Halloween wreath, and yet I'm not even going to bother because I'm about to make a Christmas one. It's just gonna add to the pile. I also, for the first time, found this really cool looking ribbon. It's shiny and metallic. I got gold and green as well. They also had red. I'm probably gonna make some different kind of bows for my wreath using this stuff. And then the bells that I found, they had just so many different kinds of tinsel ornaments like these for your tree. And these I picked out for my wreath, as well as white birds and red birds. I have some red and white birds in it, and then these pretty little sparkly clip-on flowers. Oh, the really iridescent shiny green ribbon I found. That's gonna be great for the wreath. These little things of holly, I'm probably gonna cut them up and just like weave them in different places. Also, these tiny little bows, those are gonna look really cute. Probably I'm gonna put them like in the center of a bow that I make that I'm gonna put on the wreath. And then the little jingle bells. Those will be great. And oh, and these are supposed to be ornaments, but gosh, they're just so beautiful. I actually originally got these thinking I was gonna use them for a headdress, and I got enough. I got 2 of each color, so they're silver, white, and gold. So I got 2 of each color so that I could make a headdress with some and then also put some on my wreath. I also found this just beautiful guy right here. And then I also got some of this gold tinsel wire that I'm gonna just kind of wrap around the wreath when I'm finished, and a bunch of these just little red bows. And now I'm going to show you all of the flowers I got. Yes, I did go a little bit nuts again, but when everything's $1, it's really hard not to. These ones I really enjoy because they've got these little pine cones on them. They're little poinsettias. Very cute. Here's some more, just different ones. Got a little sparkle pine cone. Oh, I found these little ball garland. Here's some red. Those are gonna go in the wreath with the flowers too. Also, that gold garland, I found I got a red one as well. So I've got red and gold. These white, kind of snowy flowers are really nice. They've got this like velvety texture. Really cool. These ones are like iridescent red with the sparkle center. I really like them. They're gonna go well with these sparkle little poinsettias. Look at how glittery they are. This is going to be so fun. Yeah, this like little holly. I don't know if I mentioned this one. Here's some more white ones, but these guys are a little bit different. They've got more pine cone and little snowy spruce on there. Just more white. So when you clump them all together, they really just start to look amazing. I found these kind of like gold silver ones. You just add some red in there. Oh, this bouquet. Very, very pretty. All the flowers for my pretty wreath. I'm gonna make so many decorations this holiday season. Normally I'm gone, traveling to see family, going to holiday parties, but you know, this year I'm just stuck at home. So I'm gonna go a little bit nuts with my decoration making, and I hope that you will join me. These little guys are all sparkly as well. They're gonna get put into a Ziploc as soon as I'm done because they have already just glittered my whole table. But you know, what would the holidays be without a bunch of glitter everywhere, right? Thanks for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed all of the holiday items I found at the dollar store. Stay tuned to my channel to see all of the holiday DIY tutorials I will be making for decorating this year using the items that I found. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then ring that bell so you can get notified when I make new content. I make a new video every week. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Dollar store haul. They also have in the bags, and now I'm going to they also stay tuned to this channel. Bye!